Remember the 80s? Guess what showed up today? UPS dropped off this box containing 2 games. New Wave Toys puts out 1/6 scale arcade games. There's my dog. We're going to open it up and check it out. The 2 games are Berzerk and Frenzy. Both came out in the Berzerk came out in 1980, and Frenzy was a conversion. You know, you can actually convert a Berzerk machine to a Frenzy by replacing one chip and a ROM. Pretty interesting. Then we'll take a look at it. They got some cool accessories that comes with it and a USB charger, of course. And there it is, beautiful Berzerk. Original looking, 1/6 scale. I love these. I have one of every... Ooh, is that satisfying? Yeah. All right, that was perfect. We're going to turn it on, make sure it's working. Marquee lit up. Saw the Atari logo. And there's the game. It's going. That's good. I'm going to fidget around a little bit, but it's time to move on from Berzerk and then open up the Frenzy box. Of course, they were both put out by New Wave Toys. I bought them on the pre-sale last year. These are awesome. Look at that. One of the boxes that comes out before this box is an identical replica of the box that you would get when they were shipped. This one has like a distressed looking cabinet. That's kind of cool, and the marquee is like a little faded. That's kind of wild. It even has a mode, I think, where the marquee light will blink like the fluorescent bulb is out. That's pretty nifty. All right, look at that. Man, Frenzy's a crazy version of Berzerk. The game features speech synthesis, and it was, I think, the second game after Stratovox that had speech synthesis. And back in the day, it cost $1,000 per word to have speech synthesized. I think this game is about 30 words. Oh, look, you can pull out the game PCB just like the real arcade game. I don't know why you would pull it out in real life. And it's even got a little coin box. It comes with little coins. You can actually coin up with the little coins too. Of course, both Frenzy and Berzerk have the same thing. Can you see the little different ROM and the little different CPU that way? I don't know. Yeah, man. I love it. This is so cool. And yep, it's got the coin box also. Very nice. Very nice. All right, what do you think? Have you bought any New Wave Toys games before? We love them. I mean, we put them up on the fireplace. Let me show you here. We've got basically every one that was made. Nice neon sign, and then the rest. All right. We did it. We opened up New Wave Toys new stuff. Yeah!